La da da da, oh oh oh. La da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Hi, it's me, Angharad from Angharads Live, and in today's video, Sarah's day off.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
We always give Sarah a day off every week. Majority of the time, it is a Sunday, isn't it, Mum?
It is, and it's lovely for Sarah then to be able to do all the things that she really enjoys on a Sunday, along with during the week when she has her free runs as well.
Definitely. And with it being such a wonderful day today, we thought we might go to Travel Bay Beach.
She always enjoys so much when we go to Travel Bay Beach, doesn't she?
She really does. I think now it's breakfast time, Sarah.
I think Sarah's looking forward to her breakfast.
Me too. Especially with it being a Sunday, she gets a bit extra, doesn't she, Mum?
That's right, on her day off, she gets extra for her breakfast from her daily allowance.
She does. Should we get that sorted and then we have some more fun?
I think that's a great idea.
Because it's Sarah's day off, we thought we'd give her some carrots. Here you go, Sarah. Yep. You enjoy that? I think so, do you, Mum?
I really do.
Ocean, let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody.
We really enjoyed taking you all along with us on Sarah's day off, and we hope you really enjoyed coming along with us.
I think it's been lovely to share with people what Sarah likes to do on a day off.
She absolutely loved Travel Bay Beach, didn't she, Mum?
She had an amazing time on the beach, and lovely that today was such a sunny day.
As well as making some new friends too.
That's it. Hopefully when we go there again, some of her new friends will be there.
That'd be brilliant. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you enjoyed coming along with us. We'd also love to know if you have a dog, where is their favourite place to go?
I think that's a great question.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye! From a very tired Sarah too!
She's having a lovely sleep now. I wonder if she's dreaming about the fun she had on the beach.
I wonder.